when I see fit. Think what you want, but I'll be laughing when I do it. I'll take you back to the start, the cause of all these problems. I'm just a little part of something bigger, so I'm told to believe, but I got something up my sleeve. These new forms come back with a vengeance, like a kick in the throat. You'll be left breathless, kinda helpless. Time and time again, I don't learn this, but someday I'll turn around and fight this, and I feel like I've been here before. So I've closed my eyes and locked these doors. In my brain, and I will show you the pain that you caused as you label me a failure. Despite the obvious signs that come back to undermine when you said I would lead to disaster. And even though I tried, you helped me find the answers to questions that get lost inside. Can you help me find this? Will you help me find this? And if my mind is like a sponge, each step I take is shallow. The more knowledge you provide, the more your words become hollow. Cause I know, I don't believe I can follow in the footsteps of greatness. Because of my lateness to arrive at the point blank is what I feel, cause you tell me I should feel it. And if you help me when I fall, I'll start to think that I need it. If you help me when I fall, I'll start to think that I need it. And if you